I want to give y'all the tea on this bag because guess what, girl? Guess what?
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high.
Hello, welcome back to the video brought to you by the one and only Simone Nicole TV, and that's on what? Period poo. So in this video, I'll be doing a Neverfull unboxing situation and giving you the tea on how I got my Neverfull. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe. I do videos on traveling, health, my locks, honey, and what else do I do videos on? Oh, luxury. Luxury handbags, and on occasion sometimes shoes. I have videos, you guys check them out when you have time. Subscribe, we're trying to get to 1K. We finally got to 500. I'm so happy. I appreciate all of you who have subscribed to my channel. Let's get into the video. Here is the bag. I have the Neverfull GM size in the print Damier Ebene. It is so big, y'all. It is such a big bag, and I'm so happy to have it. I'm so happy to have it in my bag collection. But I wanted to tell you guys the tea. It's so big, like I can barely get into the to the shot with it. So yeah, I want to give y'all the tea on this bag because guess what, girl? Guess what? This is uncharted territory for me because I did not buy this from the Louis Vuitton store. I did not. And I didn't get it from a pre-loved seller either. This is uncharted territory for me, but I wanted to share this find with you all because I know there has to be girls out there who are just like me, who love to splurge and love to treat themselves with designer items that are authentic, and may want to treat themselves sometimes with designer items that are not as authentic. But in the day, all of these bags are usually made in the same location in the same country. So I don't know. You can be the judge of that. You can be, it depends on you, girl. If it's real to you, it's real to me. And that's your coin. I'm not gonna tell you where to spend your coin. I don't expect anybody to tell me where to spend my coin because that's my coin that I earned. But if you are not the type of person that really wants to indulge in this type of content, you don't have to. You don't have to, honey. Click off the video. Do what's best for your mental health. Do what's best for your mental health. But this right here is what's best for mine at the moment. So let's talk about where I got this. I got this from a beautiful seller. Her name is Luna. Well, her channel. I found her on YouTube. Her channel is Lunar Crystal, I believe. I will link it down below if you guys want to check her out. And the reason why I was very comfortable going with Luna is because, for one, she's a YouTuber, and I feel connected to other YouTubers naturally because I know what it takes to film videos. I know what it takes to have to edit videos. I know what it takes to put yourself out there in front of people to be judged and to be loved. So I just always want to support other YouTubers any way that I can. And I really appreciate what she does. Like, I really respect and appreciate what she does because people want to live luxury lifestyle and might not always have the funds to do it right now. But there's nothing wrong with, you know, getting yourself mentally prepared for that lifestyle or getting your money together in the meantime and wanting to do other things that make you feel good. Do what makes you feel good at the end of the day. That's what I believe in. Do what makes you feel good as long as you're not harming anybody and harming yourself. But Luna's videos are so funny. Y'all gotta check her out. She's so funny. That's what really brought me in. Like, not only is she so funny that she's talking about these bags. I'm gonna post other people who also do videos like Luna. There's a whole list I know all across YouTube, people who do videos like this, but there's only a select few that I've seen and I actually subscribe to because of their content, the quality of their bags. But the girls that I have been supporting so far by like subscribing and commenting and liking their videos, the only difference between them and Luna is, well, the main difference, that the reason what made me purchase more, what makes me want to purchase with Luna is the fact that not only does she talk about the bags and like give us details of how they are compared to the authentic on the Louis Vuitton website, she also sells them. So she's done her due diligence not just to purchase and have her own and show us, but she's also giving it to us too, and it's already in the States. It's already in the States. from the videos that I've seen from the other girls that I've watched, which I respect all of them. Like I said, I love all their channels. They are giving us links to purchase from other people that we never seen. Like we never seen them, we never communicated with them before touching their YouTube channel, before clicking on the video. And most of the time the shipping takes a month or more is what I've heard. And with Luna, she's in the States, so like it's gonna take a week or less than that, depending on where you're living and how, I guess, COVID has been affected your area. That's how I found Luna, the seller, and that's how that's the perks of buying from Luna. You know, she also wears the bags. She has the bags already in the States. She's a fan of the brand, of the designer, and she's also someone who's promoting it on channel, so you can actually see the quality of it, not just pictures on the other sellers' websites or waiting for someone to purchase it and post a link down below. Like, it's literally, this is the same thing you're gonna get because she's already showed us, basically. So that makes me feel more comfortable. I don't know about you guys, but that makes me feel very comfortable and very like, okay. Let's move on to packaging. I'm gonna put a clip here also showing how the bag was packaged. It did not come with a box. It did not come with a box, but it did come with a dust bag. It did not come with the blue ribbon either, because it usually comes with the box, but it did come with receipts. Not receipts, but like the little booklet thingy. Is it in here? Or did I take it out? It's in here. Let me show you. Oh, it also came with this, but let's not get too far ahead of everything. Too far ahead of the video. It came with this. So that's nice. So yeah, that's about the details of the seller. I'll link her Instagram also down below. She's very good at communicating on Instagram and on YouTube. You have to DM her all of the bags that you want in order to get a price, and she'll let you know. It's a very secure process. It's very, very secure. And yeah, shop with Luna if you want. So let's talk about the quality of the bag, and let's first of all, let's talk about what the bag comes with. So as you guys know, the Neverfull has gone up in price. It has gone up in price. It has little lines here because it was folded up on the packaging, with the packaging, but it's gonna come out after I use it. The lines are gonna come out the more I use it. It's not on the front because it's only folded one way. And look how beautiful the bag is, you guys. Just get a good look at it. It's so nice. So this is the gem, like I said. Let's talk about the bag, the exterior. So it has the Louis Vuitton placements in the right spots. If you guys want to count them over or look at I'll put pictures here of showing the ones. I'll put pictures of the bag without me holding it so you guys can see, and I also put pictures of the Neverfull posted on the Louis Vuitton website. But yeah, the stitching looks good, as you can see. To me, it looks perfectly fine. The hardware looks good to me as well, and so does the trimming. The trimming looks really nice. Looks really nice. It feels very supple. It feels supple. It's nice and squishy. Nice and squishy. The interior is red. Here's the interior. And I don't know if you guys know, but Louis Vuitton had two versions, I believe, of the Neverfull. The first version, the older version, had cursive in the inside. This one has the regular print. And I think that was the main difference with the old and the newer. Oh, also the older version of the Neverfull didn't come with the wristlet. This one does come with the wristlet. And the wristlet feels like great quality as well. It like feels very plush, very cushioned, very, just very it just feels nice. Like, it feels nice. For this not to be authentic, it just feels very good. And it matches this perfectly. I'm gonna also show you pictures of how it looks next to my authentic keep all. I'll bring it in here too, guys, so you can see it on video as well. Canvas pieces are never going to be the same shade, no matter if it's the same print or not, because they're made in all different locations. We know that. And they're made across years. Like some of them are 10 years, 20 years apart with the same canvas. Not the same exact canvas, but the same canvas design. And Louis Vuitton prints come out lighter and darker. And as they age, they also change in shades. Sometimes the shininess either gets more shiny or less shiny depending on the product. But yeah, so there's not, no one would ever really know, in my opinion, that this is not authentic unless I open up my mouth and tell them, because it looks so good. And I'm so happy about this purchase. I'm so happy about this purchase because this now costs $2,000, I believe, on the Louis Vuitton website, and it used to cost $1,100, and I paid a third of that. No, a fourth of that, basically, of what it costs now. So look at the inside. The inside is very big, very huge, as you can see. It has the pocket, and the pocket also has the same, I closed it. With the authentic bag, it also has an inch away. I don't know if it's exactly an inch, but it doesn't go all the way down. And that's how the authentic bag is too. Like, the pocket doesn't fill the whole entire size of this, if that makes sense. But it's still a lot of room. Like, it's still a lot of room in there. I'm gonna do another video on what's in my Neverfull, because I did buy an organizer. So I'm gonna show you guys my organizer, where I got it and how I got it, who I found using it in their video, and if I like it or not, and if it's worth you guys purchasing yourself. Hint, hint, it's from Amazon. So if you know good Amazon organizers, you might know where I got it from, girl. But yeah, this is my Neverfull GM, and to be honest, I think I want the GM in monogram now too. Like, it's just so casual. It's perfect for traveling, perfect for everyday work. I'm not a teeny tiny bopper. I am a 5'6", 5'7" sometimes, and I'm not on the skinny side. I'm more on the curvy side, I would say. So this bag looks good on me, in my opinion. It doesn't look like it's overwhelming my body. And even if you like to carry big bags, wear it anyways. Even if somebody might tell you that bag might be too big for you or too small for you, if you love it, wear it. Period. Period, poop. So yeah, I don't know what else to say about it. I've never owned Neverfull before. It's my first time. My auntie, Auntie Celeste, has a Neverfull. They have a, Auntie Celeste has a Neverfull. It's only one of her. She has the M&M, I believe. So when I get a chance, I'll definitely do a video comparing mine to hers. That way you guys can also see on the video how it looks compared to an authentic versus a non-authentic. But who cares? I don't. I have too many authentic pieces in my collection to be worried about one bag that's not authentic. And I don't know, I just wanted to try something different. Like, this was a bag I never really wanted in my collection. Like, I would see it all the time. Everybody in Atlanta has it. Everybody at the airport has it. And I was just like, I don't want it. Everybody got it. My auntie got it. Everybody got it. But I changed my mind, girl, because the price looked better. I changed my mind because the price changed. That's what happened. And the quality, I ain't mad at it. So yeah, that is my GM Neverfull. So that is the tea on my Neverfull. Again, this is the interior. Get you a nice look at it. Can you see it? That is the, can y'all see it? That is the interior. It's Big Mama in the house. This is how it looks from the side. Can you see it? This is how it looks from the bottom. In case somebody needs to count the squares, be my guest. For you to count the Louis Vuitton wording, be my guest. Take a screenshot, girl. Let me know. Let me know. I do want to put a bag charm on it. Because I have a keep all, you know, the luggage tag that comes on it, or you can purchase it with other items only if you've already purchased a luggage item. I've already purchased one, so I could go to Louis Vuitton store and buy a luggage tag with my initials on it to put on this one. I think I might do that because I really like that. I really like that my name shows up on the bag because it just looks very sophisticated, very like, ooh. Oh yeah, that's her bag. The clutch comes with the pocket as well. This is how the clutch looks inside. Comes with the pocket. So nice, so nice. It just feels so good. It just feels so nice. It's just so supple, so juicy. Here's the hardware, and just so you guys know as well, Louis Vuitton hardware is not always matching either. As you can see, the hardware here is not matching. Like this one right here looks a bit more of a, I want to say more towards yellowish beige gold. And this one looks more of an orange gold, if that makes sense. But that's how Louis Vuitton does it anyways. Like, that doesn't matter on an authentic bag. I don't care. And this is how she looks on me. See how big she is? You can't even see my lower half. So cute though. I'm back about authentic keep all. This is how my keep all looks. And this is how the Neverfull looks. So what do y'all think? This is really heavy. I have it packed because I'm about to go back to work soon. And I'm going to be carrying these two in the airport. I have like a little trolley thing that I ordered from Amazon where I can put this bag on and roll it and just have this on my shoulder, or stack it on top of this one if I wanted to, like that. So yeah, this is how they look. What do y'all think? It's heavy. Super heavy. But that is going to be the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Luna Crystals on YouTube, for even providing your channel to us. I appreciate you. Thank you for everyone for watching my video. I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Oh, like Luna said, if this ain't for you, this video ain't for you.
There's the damn door for all you replica haters, because this is a damn replica video. Yes. Get the fuck out, bitch. We ain't got time for that.
If this video wasn't for you, don't comment down below leaving not nice things. Don't do that. What you can do is exit. The door is back there. So you made this far, you must like it. You must like the video. You must like something about this video to make this far. And it's okay if you don't want to purchase, honey, but don't spoil the fun for the rest of us being negative Nancy. Bye, y'all. See y'all in my next video.